Alright, going to take a quick look at this new template, Laser Focus. Now for anyone that's used any of our templates before, you're going to see that this is pretty straightforward with what we've done. There is one difference though that I wanted to cover and take a quick look at, and that is in this center nameplate here. So we went with a little bit of a different design effect than we've done in the past, and that's to create kind of this drop through type of see-through look to this center nameplate here, which I think is a really cool look. But let's take a look at customizing this so you can see it's really easy to do. But for those that may not have done anything like this before, I think this should help. So what we're going to do, we're going to see here in this template we've got some layers here that are tagged as nameplate layers. So we can see here the nameplate background. This is a group here. And so these are the effects that are, kind of showing through into the background behind this plate here. If we open up this, we've got some layers in here to change the color, little highlighting, things to just do some different looks with that in behind there. Okay, so those can be customized for some different looks. But then to actually change the actual text on here, what we want to do is on the nameplate layer itself, which is this layer here, we want to delete this layer mask because that's where the text effect is coming in. So we're just going to right click, delete layer mask, and now we're just going to add a new blank layer mask. So we'll click the layer mask button here. Alright, so now on to the next step, and that's to come up a couple layers here, and we'll see one that's turned off by default. It's called nameplate text. So we're going to turn this layer on, and this is the layer that we want to modify with the new text. So we're just going to edit this text, and let's just call it new text. And so at the same time here, you could resize this to fit if it's a longer name or shorter name. This is where you want to kind of position this text as you want it to show on this little bar in the background. But once we have what we like, what we're going to do is just hold Command or Control on our keyboard and click this little T thumbnail here. And what that's going to do is make a selection out of this text. So once this is selected, we're just going to disable this layer again. We're going to drop down to this new mask we just added to our nameplate, and then we're just going to simply come over and fill this selection with black. And then Command or Control plus D, deselect, and that's all there is to it. So that's just going to give you this new effect with the text here. Should be pretty simple. I hope you guys get a lot of use out of this.